Politicians, they have hijacked this country. Bureaucrats, they have kidnapped this country. Intellectuals and scientists, they are trapped. So it's not a country of law.
सेलिब्रिटी के लिए थोड़ा लीनियंट होता है और कभी कभी हार्ड भी होता है, और कॉमन पर्सन रहता है तो बेल मिल जाता है नॉर्मल सेशंस कोर्ट्स में, लेकिन अगर सेलिब्रिटी होता है तो उनको नॉर्मली नहीं देता।
ना उन लोगों को एक्चुअली लिटरली दे जस्ट गो इन द जेल एंड जस्ट सिट, एंड उनको सज़ा भी बहुत लेट सुनाई देती, तो वो भी जल्दी होना चाहिए।
You should have enough proof to go and fight for it, you see. Otherwise, you will not get help from anybody. The world is such, just like a small baby. If she doesn't cry, she doesn't get milk from her mother, right?
Do injustice to both celebrities as well as common man. They're giving more bias towards them.
I feel common men, law catches hold of them very fast. But when it comes highly placed people, they have no law. They somehow come out.
को अलग तरीके से ट्रीट किया जाता है। अगर वो भी एक इंसान ही है, भले उन लोगों के पास पैसा है, उन लोगों के पास फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सब उसको ही सारी फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल किया जाए। कॉमन मैन को भी उतना ही फैसिलिटी देना चाहिए जितना उन लोगों को देना चाहिए।
It is biased towards celebrities, but also they are, because consideration is taken that because they are a public figure, and things might get worse if all these things happen and they are just caught, and it is wrong.
The law is different for those and the law is different for us, so there is some criticism or injustice with us and those, so it should not happen and it's truly wrong.
Again, it's the same for the common man as well. You just need to be very vigilant and aware about your legal rights, so that you can, exploit it whenever you need them. So that is, it's the general awareness about law that is required for you guys to.
जो सेलिब्रिटी है और आम इंसान को अलग अलग ट्रीटमेंट दी जाती है, क्योंकि सेलिब्रिटी है वो कुछ पावर है, इसके वजह से वो सेलिब्रिटी है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। जस्टिस जस्टिस होता है, जस्टिस में वो पावर या सेलिब्रिटी वो नहीं देखा जाता।
The celebrities are just walking away from the law, and they are just paying off, and instead a common man if would have done the same crime not forcefully, but due to some circumstances, not in his hands, and if the same thing happens to a common man, he will be jailed, he will be barred, he will be beaten up.
Can India be the land of equal justice is the question emerging in the democratic society ahead of the long impending judgment of Salman Khan rash driving case. On one hand, common people suffers a painstaking judicial process of the country, whereas celebrities like Salman Khan walking free poses a question over law secured by the constitution. With cameraman Swapnil, me Sanobar, MRSC, Mumbai.